How's it going? Today we are going to replace this hydraulic main belt, whatever it's called. It has numbers on it. Because Because in here, the one that we have already is pretty sure, as he says, dry rotted, and it makes a very squealy sound like animals getting ripped apart in it. So we have access panels we get to by removing the tire, and then the engine bay has a little panel itself that we get to. But yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So let's get to it.
How heavy is that?
It's a heavy tire. But it's a circle, so it's easy to move. It's the right size.
Yes, it is.
Huh. Oh, there's the belt. Oh, wow, that is actually falling apart.
Let me see.
And
do we need to get the flash? Oh, I got that.
You can see how dry rotted it is. Alright, recording.
Holy freak nuggets. Look at that one. So this is to run your...
You can't see it.
Like your alternator and stuff, I think. No, that's on the other side of the engine. The main one's actually not too bad. It's the secondary that's really shit.
Oh yeah.
See how loose that is? So go under it and see what that connects to.
So we might not even have to replace the main one.
Secondary has a tensioner pulley on the top.
Yeah.
And goes to the cabin.
No, we gotta replace the big one too. It's falling apart.
Come on, beefcake. Lift. Lift the battery.
Look, it's got a handle. All you gotta do is grab it.
I think you should replace that.
Yeah, that's a good battery. It still starts the Bobcat.
With the hydraulics toast, I wouldn't want to risk it.
That's okay. We did it.
I hate doing it this way.
Nothing changes. Because now watch. Ta-da! So strong.
At least I was the one who figured it out.
Hey. That's why we do this together.
So we're gonna have to find the tensioner of some sort on this. And I have no freaking clue where the hell that is.
You need a wrench.
That
Low power mode. No, it's not gonna fit. Look where it's at. It's jammed up there at a weird angle where you gotta take the filter out itself.
the entire filter housing.
Yeah.
So it is a wrench.
Oh, so it is a wrench.
Yay. No cheat code for that misery.
Yep. Let's see if we can't show it on the camera.
See if this fits.
Nope.
I have very few.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit.
How big we talking?
Pretty fucking big. It's pretty big. Okay, so it's that right there that we're going at.
Yeah.
All right, go.
Holy nuts. Oh, I have more power. Full power!
Keep going. Good. Damn.
So here's your dilemma. It's getting stuck on the threads, so you got to keep trying to move it back.
Hang on, I got it. I got it. I'm a fucking genius.
Still got to get the new one on.
Shut up.
That one's stretched out.
Shut up.
Logic.
Get a point of the camera here. So, that's what we got going on right now. And then on the inside,
It's actually not as horrible on the inside.
it's pretty bad, but it's not as bad. And then we have the new one. Not cracked.
A little first.
Yeah. Scooby.
Actually, yours has more access points than most people's.
That's good.
Yeah, we need all the help we can get.
Especially when we've never fucking done this.
Yeah, I think that one's toast too.
That's okay. Yeah. I gotta use my hands on this one. Hang on. It's not on yet. It went too far back. Fuck.
Okay, then it says go from the top right there.
Already done. Or doing. You work on the bottom, I work on tensioner.
Alright, so I don't know when the GoPro turned off, but we pulled the tensioner all the way back with all of our weight, and we were able to slide this on just fine.
And then,
I don't want my back. Watch out.
I want a set.
Whoever sits in the chair has to ratchet like a fucking madman.
I've been doing that all day. Enough.
Hang on.
Holy!
What?
How the bloody hell do you lift this?
I pick it up with my hands.
Bull.
You wanna watch?
Yeah, watch.
It's not terribly heavy, it's just annoyingly heavy.
Yeah, no, I'm good.
Hang on.
I am freaking good.
Can't see the bottom one. Fuck.
Almost.
Yeah, let me know when I'm near the bottom.
I can't see past you like that. There, clear the bottom.
No, for the bolt to go through.
Oh,
All right, let me know.
it's on the bolt.
No, over. Come on, higher. You were hitting the lip.
But the bottom's catching on the bolt.
Yeah, that's why I said pull higher. You know, I could use your legs too.
Is there down? There.
Put a fucking bolt in. Somebody. Anybody.
There's no bolts on. Go ahead. That's only bolt.
Oh, it's not
Oh,
going
yeah, yeah.
out of the way.
All right, back away.
Oh, that's on the wrong. Oh, no. No,
Well,
wrong
we
way.
can work with it.
Yeah, we can work with that.
Our part's done.
That's how you flip the tire up there.
Jesus.
Huh.
Oh, it's stuck.
So whenever you put these nuts in, lug nuts, you always put it where it caves inwards. Never backwards.
There's a nut on your side. Look, we didn't lose any.
Nope.
Mr. Freaking.
All right. See if it runs. Oh my God, I can break this in half.
Then,
Oh, I
Shit,
broke
it-
it in half.
yeah, look here. See? 2 belts.
We got 2 belts.
Wait, your new fan belt.
Maybe.
No, it's too wide. You'd have to break it one more time to fit.
Can I break it one more time? Hang on.
No, don't.
Hang on.
Hey, look, you promised me metal. You're full of crud. There's no metal in it.
It's shiny though.
Yeah, you want to know why?
No, I don't.
It's because it was rubbing so bad.
So it rubs so much to turn to metal? Well, yeah.
No, it rubbed so much, it literally polished it.
That's cool. So yeah, that's what we did today. We replaced this belt. These belts, I guess.
Got 2 now.
We replaced these belts
that's
today
horrible.
with a new single belt that is 4 teeth wide.
I
I hope you guys liked it. because we did not have fun doing this. It
No,
was
it was
horrible.
okay. It could have been worse.
Oh my God, it was terrible in this heat. And the sun's down, it's so hot. Oh my God, I can almost rip it again. Hang on. Oh, I might need gloves. Hang on.
If you rip that, nah, that's good enough. That's good enough. Just show them. Just show them how bad it really is, you know?
Yeah, look at it. I can rip
No,
it.
that's enough. I mean, you get the hint. We made 2 belts.
We did make 2 belts. You guys want them? $15.99, shipping not included.
I'm just gonna, no, go away. Just,
We could sell it. Who's gonna know? Nobody.
everyone will know.
No one's gonna know. But yeah, replace the main belt. I hope you guys liked it. We had a lot of fun doing it. I've never done this before. He's never done this before.
I work on cars for fun.
And now we have 2 belts that we're probably gonna throw away. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.